Have you ever wanted to master the iconic granny square? You're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step, making it super easy and fun. Ready to crochet? Let's begin. For this project, you'll need a crochet hook, yarn, some scissors, and a darning needle to weave in the ends. The crochet stitches we'll be using today is a chain stitch, a slip stitch, and a double crochet. We're going to be starting our project with a slip knot. I wrap the yarn around my index finger, place my thumb in the loop, and grab the working yarn. Adjust the knot around your hook and take your time setting up. I like to hold the string with my middle finger and my thumb. This helps me get the right tension. Now we're ready for our first chain. To chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over again and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first chain we made. To do this, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through the loop. And then pull through the loop on your hook. And there you have it, you've made yourself a circle. Next we're going to chain 3. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, and pull through the loop again. Now we are going to do 2 double crochets into the middle of the circle we've created. Take your time to make sure it's in the right place. Wrap the yarn around your hook, insert into the middle of the circle, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the middle of the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Next we're going to chain 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. Next we're going to do another cluster of 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Repeat this 2 more times. Now it's time to chain 2 again. This will be our corner. And ready for another 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Do this 2 more times until you get to your chain space. Now it's time to chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. Now it's time for our last double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now we are at our last chain space. Chain 2 times. Now we're going to slip stitch to join it all together. So you want to slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain that we started in the beginning. It's right there. You want to go underneath both of the loops. So there's one, and there's the other one. And to slip stitch, we're just going to yarn over and pull through those loops, and then pull through the loop that we had on our hook. Now you're ready for the second round. So we're going to chain 3 this time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through again. Now it's time to turn your work, and we're going to be working into this chain space here that we created in the previous round. We're going to start with 2 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Double crochet again. Chain 2 to make the next corner. Now in the same corner we're going to add 3 double crochets. Now into our next corner, we're going to add 3 double crochets. If you find that your granny square is a little bit too tight, you can add a chain here instead of going straight into the 3 double crochets. But this is just my preferred method. In the corner, if you find that 2 chain stitches are too restrictive, you can add a third one to make it a little bit more spacious. Chain 2, double crochet another cluster of 3. Double crochet 3 times into the corner. Chain 2. Add 3 more double crochets into the same corner. Double crochet 3 times into the next corner. Chain 2. Double crochet 3 times into the same corner. We're going to slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain from the beginning of the round. Make sure you go under both loops of the stitch. Like this. Yarn over, pull through the loops, and pull through the final loop on your hook. Let's begin our 3rd round. Just like the 2nd, we're going to start with a chain 3. Turn your work, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now you can see we have a middle space to start crocheting in, so we'll be adding an extra cluster of granny stitches to this space. Chain 2. Now we're going to double crochet 3 times. Double crochet 3 times. Double crochet 3 times. chain 2, double crochet another cluster of 3, double crochet 3 times, double crochet 3 times, chain 2. Now we're going to double crochet 3 times, double crochet 3 times, place 3 double crochets into the corner space, chain 2. Now to finish off our granny square, all we need to do is another 3 double crochet cluster. Slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain. Insert under both loops. Yarn over, pull through both of those loops, and then pull through the remaining loop on your hook. Chain 1 to secure the loop. Now we're going to cut this yarn here. Pull through and you can pull your hook out now. And that's it, that's your granny square completed. This is my first granny square in a series. If you like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!